Get in here.
What happened?
Tristan punched a kid in the face.
This Tristan?
May I go to my room now?
The other kid's parents won't press charges because they caught their kid in a lie. No, you can't go anywhere. You're gonna stand right there.
Tristan, your grandma made chicken curry.
No thanks.
I made this one. You can have it.
I said no!
Tristan! You can't tell me how to feel. I know what I saw.
Everything is almost about you, huh?
I'll clean it up.
Where is all this anger coming from? I never raised you to put your hand on anyone. Get up, go to your room. You're making it worse.